Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take a plain 5-inch square and we're going to give it some pizzazz with a solid colored stripe. So we're going to take this is just a scrap that I had. I'm going to take and I want to cut a 1-inch by 5-inch strip. And I'm going to take our 5-inch square and I'm just going to cut it in half. Then we're just going to, so we have 2.5-inch strips and our 1-inch strip. We're just going to sew these right sides together. We're still going to use a 1/4-inch seam. Just going to finger press this. We're going to take this and right sides together. Finger press that. I'm going to take this to the iron. And there we have a new 5-inch square. When you look at the back, your seams just about meet up. So here we have our new 5-inch square. We just 5-inch square, cut it in half with a 1-inch strip. We like to see what you all create. See you later.